In this tutorial, we're going to add and subtract rational expressions. Sometimes rational expressions have the same denominator. It's easy to add them. All we need to do is add their numerators or subtract the numerators and then copy the denominator. But if the denominators are different, then we have to fix the fractions first and make them have the same denominator before we can add or subtract. So let's start with the first example here. I have u minus v over 8v plus 6u minus 3v over 8v. They have the same denominator, so all we need to do is add the numerators. So I could put this in a single fraction, u minus v plus 6u minus 3v all over 8v. And now we can just simplify the numerator. So we'll add the like terms. So we can combine the u's. Therefore, we'll have 7u. And then combine the v's, which will give us negative 4v over 8v. And that's it. For the second one, again, they have the same denominator. So we can just copy the denominator here. And then we just add the numerators, 3 plus 9. So we'll have 12 over 2 times x minus 9. And then we simplify if possible. Notice that 2 and 12 have a common factor of 2. So I can factor out the 2 out of the 12. And that's going to be 2 times 6. And 2 times 1. So 2 gets canceled. So I'm going to have 6 here. Therefore, the final answer is 6 over x minus 9. And we stop here. Okay, the third one, again, they have the same denominator. So we'll just simplify their numerators. We copy the denominator, x squared minus 64. And for the numerator, we'll have 5x plus 1. Take away 4x minus 7. Don't forget to put parentheses around 4x minus 7. Now, that means that we have to think that there's a 1 here in the front and we have to distribute. So we'll have now, there's also 1 here in the front and we distribute that. So we'll just have 5x plus 1 minus 4x plus 7. This becomes positive 7 over x squared minus 64. Now it's good to factor denominator if it is factorable. Now we see that this is a difference of 2 squares. So I can factor it as x plus 8 and x minus 8. So now we'll have here 5x minus 4x is x. Positive 1 plus 7 is plus 8 over x plus 8 times x minus 8. And we see that we can cancel the x plus 8. Therefore, the final answer is, see, x minus 8 is at the bottom, so it has to stay at the bottom. And so I'll put a 1 on the top. This is the final answer.